Hello guys, good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll put you through how to download premium images from Freepik. Okay, so head up to the website freepik.com. Then this is what you are going to have. Then for me, I've searched already the image I'm looking for. So let me use this image of this lady here. So you click on the image, then you right click, allow it to load. It might just take some time. Then copy the image address. Then from here, from here, you paste it. Then click on download. We're going to prepare the image. It might just take some time. So using this process, you can be able to download premium images from Freepik for free without paying or subscribing for their monthly or yearly plan. And this works for any image. Okay, so here we go. You can scroll down, download the normal, download medium, download the large file. So I'm going to download this medium. You can see now I've been able to download the image for free. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.